Yeah, good morning guys. We have had this installation from camperboards.de in Germany when we were away, and we've had a hell of a lot of interest on this product these guys are doing. We just wanted to show you a few more things that we've added because we wanted somewhere to put our coffee machine when it's like stationary. We're in the stationary position, so we can put our Nespresso coffee machine up there, so it frees up a lot more workspace. And I've added a magnetic strip underneath this, so I can put my coffee cups and my glasses on the underneath the unit. So it's a little bit dark here this morning in Devon, so I'm just trying to do my best with the light situation. But yeah, so underneath this table I've got this magnetic strip. Let me just turn that light off and just see whether that... Yeah, you can just see the black magnetic strip that's adhesive, and there's I've stuck it onto the underside of the board that these guys have put on this extra work surface up here. And then we've gone for 2 coffee cups and 2 drinks glasses. So there's one of the coffee cups. You can just slide them away, and I'll just try and show you how. There, stuck on. There, you can just slide it off like that, and then it'll just stick back on. So they're pretty permanent, you know. We're gonna give it a whirl while we're driving. We were a bit worried while we were like driving, if we like braked, would they fly off? But looking at it, we don't think they're gonna. Obviously, the coffee machine, that has to go back in its compartment out of the way, because that's definitely not adhered to the work surface. But yeah, we've had so much interest and so many messages on this product that I thought I'd just do a little update and show you this extra little idea that we had. And yeah, so basically we just wanted that convenience of so instead of getting your coffee mugs out of the cupboard all the time, look, you can just slide it off of there, put it up onto your coffee bar, and you're away. Or vice versa with the drinks. How easy is that? And if we can store these glasses, you know, we can do away with our glasses and our cupboards a little bit and free up a lot more space in our cupboards. And it's just that every time you want a cup of coffee, you know me, well, I carry my, not that it's all the world, because we're pretty well organised. Up in our cupboard, up the top, there are the coffee cups, and it's pretty convenient. They're stored away nicely, but again, every time I've got to get them out, take the you know, this is just another level now. It's just what we've done. Someone else, well, quite a few people actually have asked us about these. These are just, so we've updated a little bit on the description of the original video. Well, I'll put some links in as well in this video for the plug socket, which basically is just a screw fix one. Some of our original ones were like this, were black, and then we ended up getting another one because they're really nice products. And this one is a white product now, so it looks quite nice sat under there. I'll just move the other side so you can see exactly what see there, it just sits on the underneath of this really neatly. I might have to do some, we're always pushing the boundaries, you know, us, to try and make things tidy. So this cable, this is the only thing we've got at the moment. The cable's a little bit tight under there, but it keeps it tension, to be honest. So yeah, it's not all the world, but yeah, we're just doing some tidying up, just trying to, but as you can see now, probably in this kind of light, the edging on this board the guys have done for us is a total match to the original trim on our kitchen here, and all the trim in the motorhome. So it's just so nice. And again, we just cannot emphasize the quality of the surface on this extra, you know, it's just serious quality. And again, I thought I'd just get my bigger camera out and just do some a bit more so you can see that quality. The other thing what we've done, so obviously we've got this these magnet cups and stuff now. So right, hang on, before we get to the tray, so again, the guys that supplied this have supplied this bamboo, and that for us was just like, you know, we came away and we were just, you know, Caroline was saying to me, oh my God, I can't believe, and I'm like, I know, and literally the quality of this bamboo top, and it's just been manufactured so well. Let me come back into, it's just been manufactured incredibly well, and yeah, that's now on the chopping board side. It just feels so good, and I like I say, I love my wood stuff. And so right, let's move on. So I'll just put my little we put our little rubber mats around, and yeah, so getting back to the magnetic concept that we're trying to adopt here a little bit now is, so I'm kind of like, right, I want to sort of utilize my tray. We like to have our coffee in bed, so what we've done is we've gone for 4 magnetic pads on our nice wooden tray that we have our coffee in for the morning, and we've stuck them on, so they're stuck on, and they're really, the adhesive stuff on the back of these is like, once you put it on, you're not going to get it off again. But again, coffee in bed. So yeah, so what I'll do, let me just put that tray up on our little serving counter now, so you can see it up there. So basically, so you make your coffee in the morning, like, this is getting super nice now. So yeah, I normally we don't worry about that too much. We'll put our coffee cups there, like, so your coffee cup in there, filled up with a beautiful cappuccino or something, and then we just put it on the tray like that. And basically then I'm really terrible. I'm terrible. You know, I'm always like spilling me coffee, spilling it in bed, get in bed with a coffee, getting out of bed, spilling it, stuff like that. So this is absolutely another level for us. And again, with these little tumbler glasses, if you want your fruit juice in there as well, so you got your fruit juice and your coffee. So I'm going to be like, you know, just wandering around my motorhome, you know, what do you want? Just yeah, but there we go. Yeah, so we are absolutely blown away with the potential now that it's just like offered us for future trips. There we go. We'll just get another angle on that and see it, and then yeah, the stowaway, and again off with that, on with the tray, off with the coffee cup there. So we've got our juices, our coffees. Now take it outside, you know, take it outside. In the summertime, I'm just literally thinking of the possibilities now. Again, you know, when you want your coffee outside, you're sat outside, table outside, right, you got your fruit juice, all your coffee's made. I can handle it. I can handle it to the door, no spillage. Well, probably we'll let you know. But no, honestly, it's just sort of, you know, wobbly glasses for me is, you know, and it's just little things like this, just like make life so much easier. And oh, so what we're going to do now is show you guys. Let me just come back over here. And what we ended up with, so the magnetic strip, so this company here, this so yeah, make up your own mind. All right, so this was our magnetic strip, so this is the long, so we ended up with this strip, and they do different size. This is in the pearl grey, 1 times metal strip. Yeah, so that was the idea there. And yeah, so that metal strip, let's just take you back to the just take you, so that metal strip now is adhered underneath the surface, and then this is the cups. So they do all different styles. Get on their website. I'll get the we'll see if we can tag in there. We'll put the link to the website in the description, and yeah, there you go. So I think for a moment that's it. But like I say, we've had so many people comment on this. Where did you get it? You know, can we? And yeah, they are contactable. If you are ever in Germany, they will fit it. They're just on the edge of moving into some new premises where they'll be expanding their fitments and stuff. So yeah, if you're ever out that way, want it fit, but it's not a bad job to fit. It's not a bad job to fit. So, but yeah, our motorhome, me and Caroline are actually blown away. We're actually blown away with the possibilities here. And yeah, we got our little candlelight now, LED candlelight. And we were sat in the other day and we were just like, yeah, life is getting really good. Life is getting really good. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up there then, and look, we'll just put her back in position. One coffee cup, one tumbler, one coffee cup, back in underneath, and yeah, we're super happy with that, and I can stow my tray away. But yeah, there we go. Yeah, I've got we picked up, I've got another exciting product to show you guys when the time comes, so keep tuned. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, because we're bringing you some incredible stuff now. And yeah, and this is hopefully how we're directing to go. You know, if we can find products like this to show you guys, thumbs up. But yeah, give us a comment if you need any information, you know, to get hold of me. My email address is in the description. As always, contact me direct, send us a message, give us a comment. Yeah, do it. But yeah, I've got another exciting product coming up. I got in Germany, we've been after a collapsible ladder or getting up in the attic and stuff like that, and I literally have just got myself in the camper shop in Germany a outstanding ladder, and I am super excited to show you guys, because the quality is another level. I've already used it once to get my Christmas tree out of my attic when we got home. Caroline was saying to me, we need to get our Christmas tree, use your new ladder. I got it out and I'm like, this is another game changer. It's a game changer, I'm telling you. It's incredible. So yeah, keep an eye on the channel. We will bring you that soon. I've got some more videos to rip from Dusseldorf, so keep an eye on that one. But yeah, informative. This video for this work surface went incredibly well, and that's why I just wanted to try and update it again and just show you again what we're sort of trying to do and how we're going to push it on even further, maybe some more different cable tidies and stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you later. Bye. Yeah, so everybody has their collapsible ladders, and for